It's the 2022 S1000XR, and the oil change happens over here on the right side of the bike. You are going to remove this side cover. Very easy to remove. It's 3 hex bolts. 1, 2, 3 hex bolts. It's a T25 hex tool you'll need. Okay, they come right out. Side cover comes off. You can reach the oil filter very easily through here. I use this tool to remove it. Okay, there it is. It's the old one. Very easy to remove that. And then the oil plug is just right underneath here. Okay, and that's a T50 hex bolt. Okay, this goes right here. Real easy to remove this. Yep, there it is. Comes right out. A little bit of force in the counterclockwise direction. I'd use a small breaker bar to break that off with. Okay, so the tools I'm using. That oil came right out, nice and hot, so I had the bike warm. Then I bought this kit off Amazon just for this bike. It has 4 liters. It came with the oil filter, which had a crush washer that goes in the oil plug. New crush washer. Okay, remove the old crush washer, put the new one on. This I put right on, did it hand tight. By the way, when you remove the oil filter, the oil will just pour straight down there. Not a big deal. Minimal cleanup. Just take a little rag and wipe it off. Then you add 3.5 liters, because this is liters of oil. This little tool they give you here, oil filter, is pretty easy to get the 1/2 liter in. Here's where I'm at now. I'm gonna put this back on. Side piece cover.